Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get stickers in Monopoly Go. First things first, open up your Monopoly Go app. Once you're here, let's discuss the different ways. The first way is by finishing quick wins. Quick wins are daily tasks located in the bottom left corner of the screen. The second way is through milestone events. These events are marked by milestones on the board. The third way to get stickers is through tournaments. Tournaments appear on the right side of your screen. The fourth way is by spinning the color side wheel. This wheel grants you free stickers, but I'm not entirely sure how to access it yet. You may need to progress further in the game. Additionally, you can receive stickers from your friends. If you or your friends have duplicate stickers, then they can send them to you as gifts. Lastly, you can also buy stickers from the shop. I haven't personally seen this option in the shop yet, but I personally think that it's worth checking out. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get stickers in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.